Today, I'm going to show you how to fix phone number formatting issues in Google Sheets, specifically the dreaded formula parse error you might see when pasting numbers with a plus sign. Why this happens? Google Sheets interprets a leading plus as the start of a formula, so instead of treating it as a phone number, it tries to calculate something and throws a formula parse error. Step 1. Clean your phone numbers. Select your range of phone numbers. Press Command plus F, Mac, or Control plus F, Windows, to open the Find dialog. Click More options, search using regular expressions, or the three dots, depending on your version. In Find, type equals or plus and leave Replace with blank. Make sure to search within formulas, then click Replace All. This removes the extra equals or plus that's breaking your data. Step 2. Remove extra characters. You can clean up other formatting like hyphens or spaces. Find minus. Replace with nothing. Find space. Replace with nothing. Now your column contains just the raw phone numbers. Step 3. Keep the plus sign if you need it. If you want the number to display with a plus, for international format, without triggering a formula error, add a single quote before the plus sign. The quote won't display in the cell, but Google Sheets will treat the number as text rather than a formula. And that's it. Your phone numbers are now clean, consistent, and error-free.